Welcome to your Gaggenau Combi-microwave oven, the combination of a microwave and convection oven that offers microwave cooking, heating from the inside out, with 5 output levels of 90 watts for defrosting delicate foods, 180 watts for defrosting and continued cooking, 360 watts for cooking meat and for heating delicate foods, 600 watts for heating and cooking food, 1000 watts for heating liquids. Convection, heating from the outside in, using 100 degrees Fahrenheit for dough proofing, baking between 210 and 480 degrees Fahrenheit, and the grill for broiling with 3 levels of intensity up to 2000 watts. Everything is controlled by 2 simple selectors. The left controls the cooking and microwave wattage, while the right controls temperature, time, and other settings. Use the function selector to combine all 3 heating methods to speed up cook time, add even browning, or achieve other extraordinary results. Heat-resistant cookware made of glass ceramic, porcelain, ceramic, or heat-resistant plastic are suitable for use. Pull the door open with its integrated handle or touch to open automatically. Set your time with 4 options: timer, which counts down the remaining time for existing recipes; stopwatch, which counts up for creating new recipes; cooking time, which switches off the oven when the programmed time has elapsed; cooking time end, which switches on the oven for perfect meal timing. Create, modify and save your own programs. Select the chef's hat and then select the next available custom program. Name your program. Save up to 50 custom recipes. There are also a variety of international pre-programmed recipes that can be enjoyed and modified to your own taste. The back panel of the oven is coated with self-cleaning enamel, which allows the oven to clean itself while in operation. Remove any stains or large amounts of residue with a dry cloth or a soft brush. To remove any odors, add a few drops of lemon juice to a cup of water, heat for 1 to 2 minutes. The 400 series Combi-microwave oven. The difference is Gaggenau.